Hello mga Automart, alam niyo bang madali lang mag-apply ng car loan online and pwede nyo yan gawin through automart.ph in 3 easy steps. Number 1, fill out our unified application form. It will connect you to multiple bank partners with just one form. Very simple yan gawin. Number 2, you will email the documents to us at contact@automart.ph. Ang kailangan lang namin dito ay full name ninyo, mobile number, 2 valid government IDs, front and back ang kailangan dyan. Kailangan nyo rin ng latest utility bill ninyo. Pwede itong electric or water. And finally, 3 months bank statement ninyo. Step 3, just wait. We will reach out to you and verify the documents with you and help you complete your application. Once na-approve na kayo, you're ready to have your new car na. And syempre, naghahanap kayo ng new car, kumuha na kayo dito sa automart.ph dahil ang dami naming mga affordable used and repossessed cars dito. At meron na kaming mga Automart certified vehicles na parang bago kahit used ang presyo niya. May 5-day money back guarantee ka pa sa mga automart.ph certified vehicles.